Hi, there is a lot of noise about AI in finance right now. A lot of hype, but not much that you can use on Monday morning. Today, I'm starting something to fix that. Everyone knows that AI matters, but nobody is showing them step by step what to do with it and how to be more productive. This is the Claude Finance Playbook, where I share what I have learned using Claude every day, practically and to the point. In this first episode, I will build a 13 weekly cash flow forecast using Claude and in minutes. And I will show you just how powerful this is today. So you can become the finance professional of the future and not the one left behind. If you want the full depth, we run a training program for finance professionals. The link to register your interest is in my post. So let's get started. So the first step is to bring the data together. This is your data gathering process, step one. As you can see here, I have all the information that one could possibly need to create a 13 weekly cash flow model. One thing that I would like to show you is the context. You can see that I have saved the context here in a Word file. This could be a PDF or any form, but as long as you give a readable file to Claude of what the business is, what's their model, how do they make money, and any important information that would be needed to create a 13 weekly model is right here. Then you can see that there is AP, AR, bank statements, and here is the sales pipeline. Obviously, we need this information in order to predict the future of the cash flow. So this is basically the first step to bring everything together. And I have used my D drive. You can use SharePoint. You can use something else, as long as Claude can get all the information together. So the next step would be to write a powerful prompt. I usually use Claude Chat. However, because I've been working on this on live data and it's been some time, so I have a list of powerful prompts that I have been saving over time, which I usually share with people who are joining us for the in-depth program. So here you can see that here is the prompt. As you can see on my screen, there is a lot of elements to this, but don't worry about this. I'm sure that by just looking at this prompt, maybe you can pause your video. You will be able to pick certain elements of this, and in future videos, I might explain you how the prompt works and how you should use AI to write a powerful prompt for you. Now let's move to the actual work, which is final step after your preparation is done, is to actually do the work with Claude. So the first thing you will notice here is on the right side, you can see that I have already linked that same folder which I showed you here with Claude Cowork so that it can access my files. The next step for us is to copy paste our prompt here, which I showed you. And then we are just going to send it to Claude and it will get to work. I'll skip to the next stage as it's working. So here you can see that it's asking us for some questions because we already asked in the prompt that don't do anything you're unsure of. So it's asking a confirmation on what is our week end, and that's Sunday. So we will select that. It's asking about information on what is our assumption on the invoices, the pipeline, and I'm going to select 30 days here. And it's going to be changeable later. And it's saying that the AP and AR, which is already overdue, what is your assumption on that? And I'm going to select 1 week here. I think makes sense, but it's again, we can change it. Now it will get to work. And now it is going to think and give us an output. So here it is. This is the output. It's confirming us that it already have created the file for us. This file will be saved in the folder. We don't have to do anything from here. We just have to go back to the same folder where it has already saved the file. As you can see here, the file of the model is here. An important point here is to note is that do not trust 100% these numbers. And that's where we come in as finance professionals. It has created a very useful, workable model, but now it is up to us to ensure that these numbers are correct and to double check them. Um, you can see here that it has followed exactly the same advice that I gave it. That how do I want to see the model based on my experience, and it's giving the closing cash balance. It's giving all the information that you need, that you should see. Here is the assumption tab. You can see that the main assumptions are here, completely dynamic. You can change it. The formulas are all flowing in. You can audit these formulas. If you are already you have some experience, it's very easy for you to navigate this and try to find if there are any problems before you send it to a client or to your manager. And everything is dynamic here, and the trick is in the prompt. How you write the prompt is an important point here. And as I said, that we provide like detailed training. This is just a step-by-step process for you to show you what's possible, and to encourage you to use it and try it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something today. I will be doing a lot of videos around Claude and how to use that in finance to make yourself productive. So follow along and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.